Hi guys. So first I want to thank you guys for your continuous support, your subscriptions, your likes, your comments, your sharing the video. I appreciate it all. So in this video we're going to be doing a weave install. As you can see, we've already washed, conditioned. I did put a heat protectant and also a leave-in conditioner in her hair. So we blow dried it, braid her up, and if you've watched my previous videos, I do like my foundations to be flat, so I did all that prior. And I gave her a trim to make sure she's nice and healthy, because this is supposed to be a protective style. So I want to make sure her hair is always trimmed, her scalp is conditioned, her hair is treated and stuff like that. We used pre-used bundles that she already purchased from my website, shani'snaturalbeauty.com. These bundles were actually the BODYWAVE bundles that we used. Also, I had to use a Chateau flat iron. You could also purchase that from shani'snaturalbeauty.com. And I love using that flat iron. It makes my life completely easier. It goes up to 480. It's not damaging to the hair. It's a ceramic iron, which is awesome, and that's what I use for most of my looks when it comes on to the short looks or the longer ones. In this video I did use the 2 inches. What else? Let me see, because I'm just gonna be entertaining you guys with a little melody in the background. I won't be doing a whole talk through video for this one. Yeah, that's it. Enjoy the video, like, subscribe, share it with your friends, and you could drop a comment and tell me how you guys think it came out. Thank you so much again for your support. I appreciate it all. I really want you guys to pay close attention to when I'm straightening her hair with the flat iron, how I didn't have to keep going over it constantly to get it straight. The iron just did the job. You just have to be, real light, make small sections, and just watch the iron works, and also look at the way it blends her hair in without me pressing it out or anything. Mind you, I told you that she's used this hair a few times before, so even when I washed it, it still had like a wave pattern to it. It was still kind of curly, and the flat iron was able to carry this hair to a bone straight texture without frying it or damaging it. So yeah guys, you should shop this iron on shani'snaturalbeauty.com. And yeah, again, back to the video. First.
Yeah, I don't know how we got from 0 to 60 so quickly, but let's slow down a little bit.
Why would you do that? Why would you do that on the 24th?
Sounds good to me.
Okay.
Look, we have known each other for a long time.
Yes.
I don't even
Since
think
Walnut Grove.
It's a lot of water.
Sometimes it feels like yesterday, and sometimes it feels like a million years ago.
So I misread the situation.
That's
and,
what he did.
you do want this gig?
Yeah, you did. And I do. And like I said before, I love what I'm doing upstate, but I'm ready for a change.
Okay.
Who, you?
I'm starting to think that you feel like the kid on the playground who has been told
You gotta
his
stand
job
behind
is
it.
the
Look at
rules.
me.
No, it's not that. Exactly. Look, ever since I
Are
left
you
Bo,
taking up
I've
for
been
him?
trying to figure out what's next for me. I did not think that this was it.
he fixing. Wicked one. Yes, Sean. Oh, she's so pretty.